Acne is a common problem faced by many of us. Apart from taking proper treatment under the guidance of a dermatologist, use these do's and don'ts to take care of an acne prone oily skin. The 10 do's for an acne prone skin are: 1. Use salicylic acid glycolic acid face washes for such a skin type. In case your skin has become dry because of the local or oral treatments prescribed to you, you can opt for non soap gentle cleansers like Cetaphil, Emodel, or moist cleansing lotions. Toners are not mandatory. In case you have a very oily skin type and wish to use one, you can go for non alcohol toners containing natural extracts like witch hazel, tea tree oil, salicylic acid, etc. Use a light water based moisturizer. Follow it up with a sunscreen suitable for an acne prone skin. This is important as some of the treatments make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Always use paraben free non comedogenic products. You can use micellar water face pads to absorb the excess oil throughout the day, and similarly use micellar water face pads or micellar water to clean the makeup at night. Follow it up with a face wash and then pat dry your skin and apply the ointments or creams that have been prescribed to you. Apply them in a thin layer only on the affected area, sparing the normal skin. Leave them overnight unless otherwise instructed. Use these creams and gels carefully as excessive use will not hasten the treatment but will only irritate the skin, causing burning, redness, and dryness. In case you face such a problem, stop using the ointments for a few days and case the problem doesn't resolve, get back to your doctor. Some of the creams and gels are highly irritant and are to be used only at night, in which case you will be asked to wash your face 1 hour after the application of medicine. That is called as short contact therapy. Always keep your scalp clean by regular shampooing. Your hair should not fall onto your forehead constantly. Some of the oral treatments prescribed for acne make your lips dry and chapped, in which case never lick your lips. Always take a sip of water and after wetting the lips with normal water, seal the moisture with a lip balm. Repeat this several times during the day and bedtime. And last but not the least, take timely treatment. In case you wish to minimize the scarring, marks, etc., do not hesitate to contact your dermatologist early in the course of acne. Follow the instructions properly. Get back to your doctor in case you face any adverse reactions to the local or oral treatments instead of panicking. And now for the don'ts. The 10 don'ts for acne prone skin are: don't wash your face more than 2 to 3 times in a day. Washing it more frequently will only irritate the skin and it will compensate by producing more oil. Never use hot water to wash your face. Don't use alcohol based products like toners and astringents when having active acne. Don't finger your acne or pick on it. You will leave marks. Don't use home remedies, scrubs, besan, multani mitti along with the acne treatments. These can be tried once the acne is under remission. Don't go for facials, cleanups, etc. when having active acne. Don't try to extract those blackheads and whiteheads either by yourself or in a parlor, as you will tend to scar yourself. Avoid heavy makeup and cosmetics when having active acne, red, pus-filled lesions. Use only the dermatocosmeceuals prescribed by your doctor like moisturizers and sunscreens. In case your acne is under remission and you wish to use makeup, go for light water-based makeup. Avoid heavy layering. Uh, don't ever go to sleep with your makeup on. Don't use hair oil overnight, as it will tend to come onto your forehead and make you more prone to acne. And again, last but not the least, don't be impatient. Acne treatments, local and oral, take at least 4 to 6 weeks to give you visible results. So just follow the instructions. Thank you.